Let us first draw a square prism to clearly see how it looks like, and then we will be able to find its surface area. Okay. Okay, so we know that this side is equal to this one, equal to this one, equal to this one. Okay, and this one is equal to this one, and this one. This one equal to this one, equal to this one, equal to this one. Now we can call this A. On the other hand, this one is equal to this one, equal to this one, equal to this one, and we can call this side H. Now this is a folded square prism. Now when we unfold it, we will get a square prism in this format. Okay. Okay. So already we know that this side is equal to this one, equal to this one, equal to this one. Then it is also equal to this, this, and this. Then this one, this one, this one, this, and this. And this is A. Then also, this side is equal to this side, equal to this side, equal to this side, and this one. And then this is H. Now, this part 1 and 2, we call this cross section. This one is also called a cross section. Then these parts 3, 4, 5, and 6. These ones, we call this one the lateral area. We call it the lateral area. Lateral area. Okay. Now let's figure out the surface area of this square prism. To get the surface area, we have got to get the area of cross sections, plus the lateral area. Okay, cross sections, we mean 1 and 2. Then the lateral area, we mean 3, 4, and 5. Okay, now let's begin with the cross sections. The cross sections So because it is a square, we know that all sides are equal and it is A. So this means that area of a square is side times side. So our area will be A times A, and this will be A squared. But because we know that these two cross sections are 2, so we will have to multiply it by 2, so that we get 2A squared. Now let's get the area. Let's get the lateral area. The lateral area. Now for the lateral area, we have 3, 4, 5, and 6. Remember, this is A and this is H. So we get A times H 4 times, and that gives us 4AH, because we get 3, which is A times H, 4A times H, 5A times H, 6A times H, and this is 4AH. So that is the lateral area, and this is the area of cross sections 1 and 2. So this means that the surface area is equal to 2A squared plus 4AH. I hope this is understood very well. So now let's get some examples and we clearly understand this very well. So let's get example number 1. So you may find a question that find the surface area of the prism below. Okay, so this is our prism. So this is 3 centimeters, and here we have 8 centimeters. So now, previously we called this A. We said that this is A, and we said that this is H. So from the formula, surface area equals 2A squared plus 4AH, we know that A is 3 and H is 8. Therefore, we can say that our surface area is 2 times 3 squared, which is A squared, plus 4 times A, which is 3, times H, which is 8. So we come up with 2 times 9 plus 4 times 24. Okay, so this means that we have 18 plus, what do we have? 4 times 24. 24, this is 4 times 16, we write 6 and carry 1, this is 8 plus 1, 9. So we get 96. What about if we get 96 plus 18? 6 plus 8, it is 14, we carry 1, and here we get 11. So we get 114 square centimeters. Okay, now let's get another example. Let's call this example 2. Okay, we will also find the surface area of a square prism. Okay, right. So if this is 6 centimeters and here we have 10 centimeters, and now we want the surface area. Find the surface area. So from the formula, surface area equals 2a squared plus 4ah. We know that a that is 2 times a, which is 6. Now 6 squared plus 4 times a, which is 6 times h, which is 10. Now this gives us 2 times 36, that is 6 squared, plus 4 times 60, that is 6 times 10. So we come up with 72 plus 240. So this means that we are getting 240 plus 72. So we get 2, we get 11, and we get 3. So this gives us 312 square centimeters. Now, from this example, we can observe that area alone, we said that 4AH is the lateral area and 2A squared is the area of cross sections. So in case you are told to find the lateral area of a square prism, know that you'll be able to use 4AH. And if someone tells you to find the area of cross sections of a square prism, then you have got to use 2A squared. Let's look at this in another example. Let's have example 3. Someone can pose a question that find the surface area find the lateral area of a prism below. Okay, so you have your prism like this. Okay, and let's say here you have 2 centimeters and here you have 6 centimeters. So this means that we will get our lateral area as 4AH. So this gives us 4 times A, which is 2 times H, which is 6. So this gives us 8 times 6, and this is 48 square centimeters. Okay.